We are your little pig friends.
Good morning, children. Welcome to our informative show. Today, we will be teaching you guys all about public relations. Yay! We will be providing 3 specific parts: definition in detail of the area, 10 examples of professionals in the area, courses, schools that offers program for each profession. Without further ado, let's get started. Are you guys ready?
Public relations. It is the practice of managing how the information about a person or organization is shared with the public or influence their perception. PR is a strategic way to build and maintain a positive image, enhance brand awareness, and manage crisis. Did you understand anything? Great job!
Do you know anything about international relations? Well, international relations is the exchange of information and ideas between individuals, organizations, and countries across borders. It's a vital part of successful international relations, and it can help to bridge language barriers, facilitate public diplomacy, and etc. Create an atmosphere for productive conversations and foster meaningful connections. So, did you learn about international relations? Good job! Do you know any professionals in the PR industry? Well, we will be introducing to you guys 10 examples of professionals in the area with their contributions.
Basil Clark is regarded as the first PR professional, establishing the first UK PR agency, editorial services in 1924. Next is Stephen Waddington, most influential person in public relations. Next is Alexander Jodkowitz. Alexander is an innovation strategist responsible for creating global communication strategies as a CEO of SGR Group.
Deirdre Breckenridge, a thought leader who shares advice and resources on how to improve communication in digital age. Ginny Dietrich, the author of the PR and marketing blog Saks and the creator of the PESO model. Marjorie Krause, the founder of APSO Worldwide, one of the world's largest privately owned public affairs and communication firms.
These are the courses that offer programs for each profession, bachelor's or master's degree program. These programs typically include courses in journalism, campaign planning, project management, communication, and consumer psychology.
And these are the schools that offers public relations: Polytechnic University of the Philippines, University of Mindanao, Ateneo de Manila University, and Far Eastern University.
And that is it for our lecture. Did you guys learn anything? Did you like it? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!